Guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video. In today's giveaway video, I want to present you an updated version of this OP cut move right here. It is still not done, but I have laid the base for future updates, let's say. So some major changes are that you're able to dissolve the room while having things cut right here. So let me give you an example. For example, I'm like cutting all of this stuff right here, as you can see. And then when I run out of the room, means you're dissolving it, the things actually get dissolved. But apart from that, I can also do this. So I can cut on R6 models right here, so that's no problem. And when I re-equip the tool, I'm able to, remove the room and also make all of the cut parts disappear right here. And another thing which I have started working on is that you're able to move the parts which you have cut towards a certain direction. So as you can see, I've cut them, and now when I press a certain key, I can make them move somewhere. But to be honest, I'm gonna still work on this move, so we're still going to add some updates to this, some effects, maybe some sound, maybe better camera effects. So this is still work in progress, but there is still a bunch of stuff which I've added now in the video, which is going to be uploaded tomorrow. So link is in the description, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out the description, check out my second channel, check out all of those videos right there, check out the model in the description, check out the community Discord, guys. With that being said, thank you.